Are you thinking about selling your condo or townhome, but would like a semi-specific idea of what the cost or fees are associated with selling your home in New Jersey? Well, this video is for you. Hi, my name is Camille Haynes. I'm a local real estate agent in the Union County, New Jersey area, specializing in condos and townhomes. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you're new to this channel and you want to know everything there is to know about selling a condo in New Jersey, then make sure you hit the subscribe button below and tap the bell for notifications so you'll be the first to know about this process. You might be thinking about selling 2 weeks from now, 2 months from now, or 2 years from now. Whenever it is, I'm here to make sure that your home selling journey in New Jersey is a successful one. Now, let's get into today's video. Having helped many first-time home sellers in the past, they might not understand the cost associated with selling a condo or townhome. In this video, I'm going to go over the cost of selling your Union County condo or townhome. So let's get to it. Number 1, the mortgage. If you have financed your condo or townhome purchase and there is still an outstanding balance, you'll have to pay the balance off. Your attorney or title company will get a payoff amount for the mortgage that is prorated to the day of closing. This amount will not be the same as the balance on your last statement. It will also include any outstanding fees like prepayment penalties or late payments. Number 2, the commission. If you hire a real estate agent to assist you with the sale of your property, they will be entitled to a commission. Commissions are negotiable in the state of New Jersey. The commission agreement will spell out the total amount of commission paid and how much of that amount the buyer's agent's company will receive from the total amount. Number 3, outstanding water and sewer costs. Prior to closing, your agent or attorney will order a final water and sewer reading. The companies will complete a final meter read and send a final statement to close. Because some communities bill the sewer fees quarterly, semi-annually, or annually, if there is an overpayment, the seller will be refunded after closing. Number 4, taxes. According to state statute, homeowners are responsible for paying the property tax from January 1st to up to the home sale date. You might receive a credit for the property tax from the buyer. In other cases, you will owe. All of this depends on your settlement date and when you made your last tax payment on the home. The title company will complete their due diligence on this information and make sure the appropriate information is reflected at closing. If there was an error in your favor, you will receive a refund after closing. Number 5, homeowners association documents. When you sell your condo or townhome, you are required to disclose to the buyer if your property is within a homeowners association. As part of the disclosure process, sellers need to provide buyers with a copy of the governing documents. They include the master deed and bylaws, articles of incorporation, rules and regulations, and final financial statements. For a few dollars, the Homeowners Association manager can provide a resale package that would include all of these documents along with a resale certificate that discusses any outstanding dues and upcoming assessments. Sellers are responsible for any Homeowners Association fees due up to the day of closing. Number 6, loan reconveyance fee. Some lenders will charge a fee to draw up the legal documents that releases the mortgage lien from the property. Number 7, Reconveyance Recording Fee. After the lender generates the document that releases the mortgage lien from the property, you must record the reconveyance at the county courthouse records office to make it official. Number 8, State of New Jersey Realty Transfer Fee. The Realty Transfer Fee applies to most real estate title transfers. You cannot record a transfer deed without it. To determine the Realty Transfer Fee, check the Division of New Jersey's Taxation Fee Transfer Schedule. Most home sales are subject to a Realty Transfer Fee, but there are some exceptions. Discuss any exemptions with your attorney. And talking about the attorney, that is number 9. In the state of New Jersey, sellers either need a title company or an attorney to represent you and close on the property. In the northern New Jersey area, including Union County, attorneys are the prevalent method of representation. These can vary from attorney to attorney, so ask your lawyer what their fees are before hiring. Also important, make sure to ask about any retainers and the cost for any transactions that are canceled during the process. 10. The Township Certificate of Occupancy. Certificate of Occupancy, Certificate of Code Compliance, Certificate of Continued Occupancy. It's all the same thing by a different name. It is the town's inspection of your property to make sure it is up to code. The New Jersey Fire Code stipulates that a residential home up to 2 families requires a certificate of smoke alarm, carbon monoxide detector, and portable fire extinguisher compliance. Some townships have a separate inspection for these items from the certificate of occupancy. Some towns consider the CO inspection the same thing as the smoke, carbon, and fire inspection. Each town is different, and your real estate agent can guide you if your township requires a CO inspection, smoke and fire inspection, or both. Number 11, wiring or overnight fees. If you're not going to be present at the closing, or you do not want a paper check at the closing table, you do have the option to have your money overnighted or wired to you, but this does cost. Expect something around $50 for these fees. Number 12, notary fees. In order to officially transfer ownership to the buyer, the seller signs the transfer documents, which is notarized before it's recorded in the county public records office. And lucky number 13 is an exit tax. It's not a separate tax, but it's an estimated tax payment to cover the incoming income tax on the gain of your real property. The state of New Jersey requires sellers to pay at either 8.975% of the profit or the capital gains you make on the sale of your home, or 2% of the total selling price, whichever is higher, regardless if your property is a primary or investment property. Mansion tax, though, there are not many condos or townhomes in Union County that are priced over $1 million. But for the ones that are, be prepared to pay the mansion tax. Make sure to speak to an accountant or tax professional about more specifics on the exit tax or mansion tax exemption possibilities. I know this can be a lot. At the closing table, you will receive a breakdown of all the costs in the ALTA. ALTA stands for American Land and Title Association, which is the organization that created the settlement statement. It is an itemized list of every credit or deduction to the penny. Your attorney or title company should go over this document with you prior to signing on the dotted line at closing. I hope this video helps explain the cost associated with selling your condo or townhome in New Jersey. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. This is Camille Haynes, and I'm here to help you navigate the process of selling your condo or townhome. Have a great day.